He staples it.
And here it comes, moment of truth. Gypsy boy.
Gypsy Racing. First one in the Carolinas.
First billet case in the Carolinas.
It's like glued on there.
Yeah, jeez.
I made sure.
Here it comes. Drum roll, please. Wow, good packaging.
Yeah.
OMG. Very nice, very nice.
One left.
Oh, yes.
Take the box off.
Look at the beauty. Oh,
For you say large, yes?
$12,000 t-shirt. Sweet. Nice.
Yeah, Bubba.
Oh, yes. Beautiful.
He copied everything. It's really sweet.
That is nice. First billet case in the Carolinas. Shout out to Ramey Racing. What do you got to say about this one?
It is very nice. I would like to polish by hand so it look like Gypsy mirror.
We will have Gypsy race car. Somewhere we will have horse and buggy pulling it.
We just need to put G in front of here.
Gypsy Racing.
Racing, realistically.
Romania.
Romania.
Bucharest. This is made in Bucharest, Romania.
Hand painted.
Hand painted by 7-year-old children. All jokes aside, this thing is phenomenal. Wow.
It's heavy. Pick that shit. I mean, you're not breaking that fucker.
Good lord. That is a solid chunk.
They made a mistake though.
Oh, what's that?
Shoot. You need an extra large shirt, not a large.
Oh my
No,
god.
no, we are having on diet. Okay.
We're going on diet.
Yes.
Yeah,
Special,
Got
special
to lose some
diet.
weight to ride in the car.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. All right, Darius, driven tuning. Sammy thinking he's Batman. That's an extra large Batman shirt. That's a contradiction right there.
No, it's not. That's a large.
I mean, this thing is straight out of the mill, bro.
Wow. That's
We
cool.
still have to like clean
Clean it out.
Yeah,
That is awesome.
that is cool.
And the delivery was
Same day.
stupid. I mean, same day, no joke.
Same day and a t-shirt, gray one. You got nicer than mine.
But that's it, because you know I'm Gypsy.
Yeah,
I like
because
it.
you are a clubber. Show the shoes. Show
Oh,
the
look
shoes.
at... Oh,
Oh,
shit.
very nice.
Oh, shit. What is the EDM music?
EDM beats. No, it's not EDM. You listen to the breakdance music from 1881. His jacket. Where is your jacket?
Where is your jacket?
It's on the truck.
We've got 1987 Florida, what was it, a
It's
Hurricanes?
straight out the mill.
Hurricanes wind jacket. Awesome, awesome stuff. All right, so first billet case, B Series all-wheel drive in the Carolinas, getting ready to beat down on just about anybody who wants some. You want some, come get some.
All the V8s.
What you got?
Nice.
Oh, shit.
For this
nice
amount
stack.
of money. And a lift. If you want to throw in a lift, he needs one. He's been
Yes,
wanting
we
one
need
for
lift.
5 years.
5 years.
Want some, come get some. All right, that's that.